Hey, it's Ben. I have this Enhon 100 shimmering twinkling lights. The company sent me this and is compensating me for the review, so let's have a look. So we got 2 sets of the strands, some extra fuses, and some extra light bulbs. These can be opened up just by untwisting the twist ties. So looking close up, these are just in a single row in a single strand. There's a 2-prong plug on the end, and these can be daisy chained either by plugging in to the front end or plugging into the back end. I'm going to plug these in and test them out. Took a few seconds, but then the twinkling lights started going. So some of the lights stay on permanently and some of the lights twinkle. Definitely gives a nice shimmering effect. You can put this indoor or outdoor, around your house, on your tree, in your rooms that you're decorating, or outdoors on your house, your bushes, a tree. These are weather resistant, so they are safe to have outside. I really love the blinking effect, the shimmering effect, and I like that all of the lights do not do it. So it's a real subtle effect that will look really nice at night, especially if we have some snow. I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.